Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Acemagic F1A Mini PC. Acemagic, known for pushing the boundaries with their technology, takes a step back with the F1A. Let's see if this mini PC lives up to its promises. The Acemagic F1A boasts a design that blends plastic with a thin aluminum skin, offering a lightweight yet somewhat premium feel. It features easy internal access, allowing straightforward upgrades, but there's a catch. Despite marketing claims, it disappoints with only one M.2 slot, limiting storage flexibility. Under the hood, the F1A is powered by an Intel Core i9-12900H, offering a robust single-core performance suitable for specific tasks. However, its dated Intel Iris Z GPU and DDR4 memory configuration fall short compared to newer alternatives using DDR5 and superior GPUs. This affects its overall multi-core performance and GPU-intensive tasks. When it comes to features, the F1A is equipped with ample USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports but lacks Thunderbolt and USB 4.0 support. This omission, coupled with a single 2.5 GB LAN port, limits its potential for high-bandwidth connectivity options. In conclusion, the Acemagic F1A Mini PC, while showcasing strong single-thread performance, struggles to justify its price tag in a market filled with more modern alternatives. For tasks reliant on multi-core processing or demanding graphics, there are better options available. Consider the Acemagic F1A if you have specific single-threaded tasks and value quiet operation with efficient thermal management. However, if you require Thunderbolt or USB 4.0 capabilities or seek better overall value, you might want to explore other options. If you're open to alternatives, the Acemagic F2A, featuring the latest Core Ultra processor and ARC-integrated GPU, offers more power albeit at a higher price point. Additionally, the GMK-TEC Nuke Box K8 presents another compelling choice with its robust hardware and flexible connectivity options. That wraps up our review of the Acemagic F1A Mini PC. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product critiques. Until next time, stay tuned to Product Critique for the latest tech insights. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy computing!